Alright guys, welcome back. These are the garage door semi-bay lifts that I was telling you about yesterday. This is them completely done and concreted in. This is us at the beginning of the day removing the plugs, which were in the forms to keep our FAs flat with the concrete. So this is what it looks like removed, but maybe I'll grab a clip tomorrow of them flush with the concrete. I didn't get around to that. But anyways, this is the pipes that we laid in. We had the 120s in the back left and the 480s in the front right, going from section to section in between the bays. This is what it looks like halfway with the concrete bottoms without the forms on the walls and some of the rebar. Here's a video of me petting a bee outside. And then these are the bay lifts themselves that will be going in, where what I just showed you, the FA holes will be, that's where the box will be, the junction box for those. And then this is kind of the safety that we have to do around here. When we use a lift, we have to cone off and caution tape or danger tape around the drop zone. And they're like 35, 45 foot ceiling. And then this is what I worked on the end of the day, which is taking off the old receptacles off of the wall, because when they cut the concrete, they're pretty much destroyed. And then at the end of the day, I ran into an old friend after work for some In-N-Out. And then reusing the clip from yesterday, we worked on a few more of these exit signs and rewiring the lights outside to the outdoor lights. Probably like 2, 3, or 4 of those. So that was our day. Anyways, see you guys in the next one.